Alright, what's up everyone? I'm here to bring you a very important update. I want to talk about two projects that are on the verge of breaking out and I can see absolutely exploding in the near future. So folks, if you want to stay up to date with the latest and greatest in cryptocurrency news and technical analysis, if you want more low cap gems on the verge of breaking out, such as this one and another one I'm about to talk about, do me a favor, like, subscribe, comment, share, hit that bell icon to be notified of new uploads. So folks, the project we're looking at right now is Kyla and Kyla Network. It's it's kind of a low capper here, you know, $71 million. It's essentially a Polkadot Oracle project. So this is a brand new project. I've been telling about our VIP Discord members about this thing for a while. So if you want to join our VIP Discord where we talk about low cap gems before anyone else gets to hear about them, sign up with our Patreon. Link for that down in the description below. So I brought this to our Patreon members right around 88 cents. I got in at around this region, and so I'm actually still holding this thing, and I think it's about to break out, and we could see a lot of explosive price action if we start to get above some key levels here. So let's kind of delve into this and explain what's going on. Really, we're just in a very macro descending triangle. There's a few ways you can draw this. I think the key level that we need to get above, or we need to maintain above, is 95 cents. If we start to break below 95 cents, I'd kind of get worried that this thing could see continued extended downtrending and consolidation. So we have two descending triangles that we can draw, kind of this one based off this wick here and this wick here, and based off of these three wicks here. So if we start to get above these blue trend lines, these resistance lines, and if we can get above the price reactive level of $1.25 to about $1.30, if we can get above that and hold above that, I think we're going to see bullish continuation. And if we can get above and hold $1.30, I think eventually we're going to retest all-time highs. So folks, Kyla Network, it's a low capper. If you want to be super conservative, wait to see if we can get above and hold above $1.30. If we can get above and hold $1.30, we would not only have broken out bullishly but gotten above major resistance. So that would be confirmation of the bullish breakout. You know, if you want to be really conservative and wait for that confirmation, that's what I would be looking to get in this thing. And again, I think at the very least, a bullish breakout could eventually take us to all-time highs. And with Bitcoin dominance having fallen below a critical level, now at 58.63%, I think the altcoins are going to absolutely explode. And I think Kyla is definitely a good project. Now I want to bring you another great project that I think has a very good chance of doing very well. Bondly, again, another project I've been talking about on this channel for a while. So Bondly plays in the NFT space, $100 million market cap. It's not a super low capper, but it's not a high capper by any means. This project is doing a lot of stuff, partnering with lots of big influencers. I think Jake Paul, Logan Paul, one of the Pauls, and Tory Lanez and a few other people have partnered with Bondly to put out NFTs. So I'm very bullish on this thing. This project is going for mass adoption. The NFT market has been absolutely exploding, and I don't think we've seen anything yet. And I like this project a lot because it's had a massive pullback, and I think we're on the verge of a breakout. So there's a few different ways I can draw Bondly here. Ultimately, actually, let's go back. I want to actually draw a Fibonacci retracement and maybe an extension here as well. So okay, interesting. Yeah, so that key level 60. Okay, so one key range that we need to get above is 60 cent there based off our Fibonacci retracement. So let's go back here to the 4 hour, because we're forming a massive wedge slash descending triangle here. So wedge, descending triangle, multiple ways you can draw this. Either way, if we can get above this trend line and hold above, you see how we tried to break above, we really couldn't. So if we can get above and hold above 60 cents, not only would we have gotten above major resistance, but that would serve as confirmation of this bullish breakout. We also want to see, whenever we break out of this wedge, we want to see a lot of volume start to come in, a lot of bullish volume. Like you see, we're forming this sideways moving channel back in this area. As soon as we broke out, there was a lot of bullish volume starting to come in, a lot of buying volume. Yeah, I think that's the only breakout that really will see that volume come in. So we want to see something like that. We want to see a bunch of buy volume come in once we break out bullishly. So just to kind of summarize here, if we break out bullishly, I think eventually we can go to all-time highs. If we can break out and hold above 60 cents, I think we could see bullish continuation. And again, over the long term, I think both these projects have a very good chance of reaching their all-time highs and vastly surpassing it. So if anything interesting happens with these things, if they break out, we're going to be talking about it in our Discord group. A link to join that is down in the description below. As well, folks, I want to bring up Tokenmetrics. Tokenmetrics is an AI-fueled price predictions and portfolio suggestions platform that we use all the time to help inform some of our research and some of our thought process. It's a very powerful tool in your toolkit, and if you can spare it, we highly recommend it. And we're mentioning this more and more on the channel because they're going to be upgrading their functionality, their AI, and the amount of coins you have access to, and they're actually going to be increasing their prices, I believe, the end of April. But if you get in now, you get grandfathered in at the cheaper prices. So folks, if you've been sitting on the fence, we highly recommend you get in before they raise their prices. I believe you get 10% off if you use our link down in the description below. So make sure you check all that out. Again, folks, stay tuned to this channel. I think both these projects are on the verge of breaking out, and I think if they can break out and get above those key resistance levels, we're probably going to see at the very least all-time highs for these projects. Again, none of this is guaranteed. We could always break down further. I'm not a financial advisor, not financial advice, but I am in both these projects currently, and I think we haven't seen anything yet. All right, folks, thanks so much for watching. Until next time, take care.